how to add subtitles in Happy Scribe. So first go to your account and then you can just click on create here at the top right, then click on subtitles. Next is you can just choose your file from your computer or just paste some links here. So I'll just choose files, then I'll just choose my file, so I'll just use this one. Then from there you can just choose your language here, and then if you want to add translations, you can just choose any of the languages here as well. And then you can also customize it. Now you can choose whether you want human made or machine generated. So I'll just use the machine generator here, and then once it's done here you can just click on create, and then it'll start adding subtitles to your video. Okay, so you just need to wait for it to finish. Okay, now once it's done you can just click on it, and then you can see now I have all my subtitles here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.